check the right and left leg, definitely it's they always limp like this, many people. It's a pathological disorder. So there is a necrosis happened, and the diagnosis came as the aseptic necrosis and synovitis happened in the left hip capsular, this joint. So here the case is aseptic necrosis happened. So there you can also see, and here also I produced a lot of CT scan reports there, and also here you can see, but there is a definitely sign. Remember, even right side is involved. It's not just only left leg. Right side also started the degenerations after the chemotherapy. So this is one thing, and next we'll see. I don't know whether this is after the treatment. Okay, I will come back later to that. And I already told you the differential diagnosis. We all know the supraclavicular glands are there, and the cervical lymph nodes is one. Tuberculosis lymph nodes is another important factor. Tuberculosis lymphadenitis we need to assess, and toxoplasmosis, where the lymphadenopathy enlargement will be there. So tuberculosis is one area. Same symptoms like Hodgkin's will be the loss of weight, fever, chills, and all those things. But only thing difference is the biopsy there. And here, biopsy is the most important diagnostic aspect in this case. We can get the real result. But tuberculosis is curable. This is another thing. But here, it's very difficult to think. And also, on what basis you assess with the glandular? This is the fixed glands, or it is mobility glands. On this basis, we made the differential diagnosis, right? So immobility glands and TMN classification. And also yesterday somebody was also talking about the TMN classification, the tumor metastasis modular classification. So in this case, because I don't see the distant metastasis here, and there is no distance, the lymph node itself is the primary focus, right? The lymph node itself is the primary focus. So I put it like T0, TO, N1, MO. This is Elena's TMN classification. There can be difference of opinion, no problem. And Sushruta also mentions, differential diagnosis, Mamsa Arbuda, Adi Arbuda, Rakta Arbuda. I'm not convinced with this because it's more of vascular tumor. So we don't work with vascular tumors right now. So after biopsy, I got into the conclusion that it's Hodgkin's lymphoma or Mamsa Arbuda. Okay? After the Hodgkin's. So the blood analysis, and we'll see later this one. And this Urstamba also, femoral necrosis, Amavata, Abhigata, all these things we know. The cause of the necrosis can be due to chemotherapy. That's what assessment, final assessment. And most of the features are close to Sandhigata Vata, but again there is some shortening of this made the difference. Shortening of the leg made all the differences from Amavata and Sandhigata Vata this thing. So that we can comment as a femoral necrosis. It's Amavata, all the Amavata cases, it doesn't mean that the leg will be shortened. That's it. So all the symptoms are pointing towards the femoral necrosis, the degeneration of even acetabular cavity a little bit. Conclusion was made after the investigation reports. This is my prescription. I'm sorry I did not improve from last year. And here you can see 14, 8, 12. We started there and I returned the sleep, appetite. I always start with this sleep and appetite and stools and all this is very important factor in Agni. I was searching for Agni and all those things. Usually we do it. And you can see the history of chemotherapy, necrosis, left femoral joint, chemotherapy 2011. And there you can see the medicine, Amrutotaram Kashayam I written. And I first wrote Trifala thinking that maybe some septic things is going on in the joint. Then I changed it to Yogaraj Google again, but convincing myself, okay, it's not, may not be, it's aseptic. And Shiravala 101 capsules I gave them. Shirabala 101 capsules. It's all Ayurveda pharmacy, Kottakkal, all they have. Everybody, all the doctors knows this, what I have done. That's why I said, you people can do better than me. Right. And Balarishta, because I want to, Agni Vardhaka is there. Agni I want to improve, because we are working on the plan is Agni and Vojas. Again, I'm coming to the same point. Agni and Vojas. I picked up from the Charaka. Right. And, sorry. Panchakarma I am not convinced to do, but what I thought is, because it's Vata problem, it's a degeneration process, how to stop it. Then I said, okay, you take Abhyanga with the Narayana Tela and Balashwagan Narayana Tela. Yes. Abhyanga I gave her at home. She cannot come out. Mother was doing. And Matra Basti I gave her a Balashwagandhari 40 ml. Wonderful. You'll see how she developed a Balashwagandhari 40 ml I gave her. And second one, probably not good. My handwriting, I need to understand. So the intermediate, where they say in December, she started feeling better. I written just, you can see, everything I produced, whatever I done. There is no stories.
I can read that one.
Right, you can read.
Yeah, that's
Thank you so much.
Muller.
And here you can see the Amrudatam Kashayam. And Rasnadi Gugulu, I changed Rasnadi Gugulu again. And Kshiramala Varnashman. And Dashimula Arishta, I changed it again. Probably it is not available. I don't know. They bring the medicines from Moscow. In France, they bring directly. The problem in Ukraine is they can't get the medicines. They bring it from the Moscow. From I don't know from where they can bring it to Moscow. And so again here, Balashwagandhari Tela and Dhanvantari. The reason why I put Dhanvantari Tela is it is in December, winter there. I changed the whole package according to the seasons. And again, this is in June. Please look at the date, 2013 June. This is recent. 1 year I worked with her. And Amrudatam Kashan, here you can see the left side, hip rotation is plus, means she could able to rotate. Nicely she was able to start moving better. Hip rotation was much better, no fever was there, remember. And Brahmi Krita, I'll give her, like yesterday also, Dr. Vivek Sharma was telling, Brahma Rasayana, it's very good for. But in this case, she was mentally very disturbed. Almost she went into depression. Thinking that I cannot. In November, they called me, the mother fired at me. What kind of doctor you are? She did not improve at all. You're treating since 3-4 months, she could not improve. Then I said, please give me one more chance to treat her. Then, just, okay? So this is the last one, and finally Balarishta I give, and the Balashwagandhari Tela, Matra Basti. Just you remember Balashwagandhari, Matra Basti, all those things. Kiravala not one, Balarishta. And she's still, you can see the August, you know. It's 3/8/13 August it is. It's Olympics, still there is slight limping, but now I want to show you how she is.
Much nicer.
Do you have a video?
It's very slow. It's just
Press on the play button.
yeah, done. Yeah, this is Elena now.
Oh, wow.
Can't believe, even I was confused how it is me or something else. She could now, she went up to the park, she took nice video for me. Shekhar was holding me, what kind of video you're bringing me? Park videos. I said it's natural, let people enjoy. So you can see that movements, the slight limping is there, but she's able to walk.
Right limping is there.
There is there.
Yeah.
That's what I mentioned very clearly. But really she is able to do it. Thank you so much. There is a speech of Elena is also there. If you want, I can put it to her. She spoke very beautifully. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Swarnapuri. That was a wonderful presentation. Thank you for sharing your treatment protocol. I would like to thank you from Apna's behalf by giving you this certificate.
Questions?
Maybe afterwards we can discuss. The time is not there. Thank you so much.
If you have any questions, please contact Dr. Swarnapuri in the break time, because today is the last day we